Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you something useful which is adding a new page. To add a new page, we need to go to the document menu with pages. We need to click on new, or you can use the shortcut from here which is Control Shift plus page down. Let's click on new. To add another one, again we need to go to the new. Also, you can create a new page using this add as well. Let's click on add. Not only one page that we can create with add, so we can create many pages. So we can add pages 1, 2, 3 pages. So I'm going to click on OK. But before I'm going to click on OK, so you can click before or after. And you can select a master page which is nothing here. Let's click on OK. Control minus to zoom out to see all the pages. Control plus to zoom in. So this is how we can add a new page with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys in the next video.